Okay, moving on to question 4. 4a. We have 1 over 4 times 5 over 7 times 3 over 8. And there's nothing to simplify, so I multiply the numerator with the numerator. 1 times 5 times 3 is 15. Denominator with the denominator, 4 times 7 is 28. And then 28 times 8 times 8 is 64. 8 times 2 is 16. 16 plus 6 is 22. So the denominator will just be 224. 4b. 4 over 9 times 5 over 8 times 3 over 15. Again, we simplify before we multiply. I can divide this by 4 to get 1, divide this by 4 to get 2. Divide the 5 by 5 to get 1, divide 15 by 5 to get 3. And these two are both 3, so I can just cross them out, they just become 1. My final answer is a numerator of 1. 1 times 1 times 1 is 1. Denominator is just 9 times 2 is 18. And of course, 18 times 1 is still 18. And then for C, we have 5 over 36 times 28 over 3 times 6 over 5. So as soon as I see the like numbers, I will just cross them out. They just become 1. Divide this by 3 to get 1. Divide 6 by 3 to get 2. I can divide both the 28 by 4 and the 36 by 4. So 28 divided by 4 is 7. 36 divided by 4 is 9. And that's it. Numerator will be 7 times 2 is 14. Denominator 9 times 1 is 9. Change this back to mixed fraction. 9 goes into 14 one time, and 14 minus 9 is 5. And then for D, we have 5 over 6 times 54 over 11 times 3 over 25. So again, we want to simplify first. Divide this by 5 to get 1, divide this by 5 to get 5. Divide this by 3 to get 1, divide this by 3 to get 2. And then divide this by 2 to get 1, divide 54 by 2 to get 27. And that's it. Numerator is just 27. Denominator is 11 times 5, which is 55. 4e. 18 over 121 times 11 over 36 times 12 over 33. I can divide that 11 by 11 to get 1. Divide 121 by 11 to get 11. So I have memorized that already. 11 times 11 is 121. That's how I was able to do it quickly. Next, I will divide 12 by 12 to get 1, divide 36 by 12 to get 3. I can divide 3 by 3 to get 1, 18 by 3 to get 6. And I can divide 6 by 3 to get 2, 33 by 3 to get 11. So that will be my final answer. Numerator just 2 times 1 times 1, which is 2. Denominator 11 times 1 times 11. And 11 times 11, like I said, I memorized it already, is 121. Okay. For F, 3 over 32 times 21 over 56 times 64 over 15. We can divide 3 by 3 to get 1, divide 15 by 3 to get 5. I can see that 32 times 2 is 64. So I can divide 32 by 32 to get 1, 64 by 32 to get 2. I can divide 2 by 2 to get 1, 56 by 2 to get 28. I can divide 21 by 7 to get 3, 28 by 7 to get 4. And I think that's it. The numerator will be just 3. The denominator will be 4 times 5, which is 20. For G, 6 over 14 times 7 over 45 times 15 over 21 times 147 over 7. So I see the like number, the same number, 7. I just cross it out right away. I can divide 15 by 3 to get 5, divide 21 by 3 to get 7, and I can divide 5 by 5 to get 1, 45 by 5 to get 9. Divide 6 by 3 to get 2, 9 by 3 to get 3. And 147 is divisible by 7. 7 times 2 is 14, 7 times 1 is 7. So I can divide 7 by 7 to get 1, 147 by 7 to get 21. I'm running out of color. I can divide 21 by 7 to get 3, 14 by 7 to get 2. And now I see like factors, the 2's. Oh, and the 3's as well. Yeah, and the 3's as well. So my final answer is just 1. Everything get crossed out. They all become just 1. So final answer just 1 over 1 or just 1. Okay, that's for G, and then for H. I have 7387 over 8633 times 485 over 581. So this would be a problem that I think you should be allowed to use a calculator because the number is so big. So I'm going to show you how to use your calculator on this. So if you don't have this calculator already, this is the one that you want to get. So maybe you can take a picture now, or just as you take out your phone and take a picture. So you can show it to your parents, and you should be able to get this calculator as Staples. So we have 7387 over, the fractional button is right here. So over 8633, and then to the right, times 485 over 581. Oops. And that's it. And then I just press enter, and it does all the work for us. The answer would just be 5 over 7. So this is just 5 over 7 using the calculator. Okay, that's it for question 4. I will see you in question 5.